Hello everyone! How's it going today? I hope you have a great day. I'm Hằng and this is episode 1 of 1 Minute Vocab by Vietnamese Word. Are you ready to open the vocab box today? Okay, let's go ahead. Today's word is giờ. Giờ. It means o'clock or hour or hours in English, but all the things are the same in Vietnamese, so it is quite simple, right? In Japanese, it means ji, jikan. Now, let's go more details into the way of pronunciation. The first double consonant, ji, can be pronounced like a z, z, z. After that, we have a vowel, and we have a down tone. So the point here is down the voice gradually. Very important, gradually. So listen again. The. Okay, so now please listen and after that repeat the sound you hear. I will say the words 3 times. The. Okay, thank you so much for repeating me. Now, it's time for the challenge. Are you ready for the challenge today? Okay, question for you. How do you say o'clock or hours in Vietnamese? 時間、ベトナム語は何ですか? Okay, wonderful. Okay, it is the. This is bonus part. We have very common sentence. Mấy giờ rồi. Once again. Mấy giờ rồi. Mấy giờ rồi. It means what time is it? Or in Japanese, they say 今何時ですか? Okay, thank you so much for joining me in the episode 1 of 1 Minute Vocab. If you want to learn more, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye and see you next time.